How to share iCloud storage with family. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to share iCloud storage with family. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, you wanna go ahead and you want to start the settings app and tap your account name at the top of the screen. After which you want to go ahead and tap on family sharing. Once you've done it, so if you're already using family sharing, add yourself as an organizer and tap next. Then you want to go to tap iCloud storage and make sure you have compatible iCloud subscription. You'll need either 200 GB or 2 TB. Now you want to go ahead and add family members by tapping add member and sending invitation to the other member via text message. When they accept, their names will appear below your name on this page. Once you've set this up and added your family member, you could add the other family sharing benefit like group app, storage purchase, and all that. So this is how you could share your iCloud storage with your family. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.